Okay, we've added slides, but I don't particularly like the layout of this slide. Okay, so here are a lot of options, and depending on what you want to do, some may make more sense. Okay, blank is if you were going to add a new background or something else that works. Okay, I want to add an image with some arrows on it, so I like this one. Again, you click on the slide, click on layout, and choose the one that works for you. Okay. I do also like this blue background as a layout. Now, if you just wanted the background and didn't want these boxes, you could easily select them. Once they're highlighted, you can right click and delete them, or simply use the backspace on your keyboard. Okay, in the next video, we're going to talk about inserting images.